In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime if you're a student or a young adult aged 18 to 24. First, launch your preferred browser, then navigate to the official website of Amazon Prime. Provide your credentials and log into your account. In case you don't have an account, sign up. Then you will be directed to this kind of page. Now here, you're going to find this option, Join Prime for 18 to 24 years old. Click on that. If you are a student, you will need to verify your student status using a valid university email address or .edu email. If you are not a student but you are between 18 and 24 years old, set the option verify as 18 to 24 years old. Now you'll need to verify your age. So go ahead and select the preferred document that you want to upload. I have selected driving license. Now here upload it. Then check in for the option. I confirm my document is current and valid. Then go ahead and select your payment method. If you do have gift vouchers, gift cards, or promotional codes, you can use that as well. After you complete this process, you can submit it. After activation, you will get full access to Amazon Prime benefit, including fast delivery, exclusive deals, and streaming on Amazon Prime Video. In many reasons, after the 6-month trial ends, subscription continues at a discounted rate. One important thing to remember, this offer is usually only for new users and availability depends on your country. Also, if you don't want to continue, make sure to cancel before the trial ends to avoid charges. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.